what happened, one day grandfather had to leave Dehradun the next day for collecting his pension in Saharanpur, and just because this monkey, he would not let other animals to sleep. Unfortunately, grandfather had to take this monkey along with him, and the narrator could not follow his grandfather along with him. Now, over there, Toto was packed inside a big black canvas skin bag, and over there, straw was at the bottom, and he was packed inside the bag, so there was no escape. Okay, what was he doing? He attracted a lot many crowd people on lookers at the Dehradun railway platform because he was trying to come out of the black canvas skin bag, but he was not able to come out. So Toto remained inside the bag on the way to Saharanpur. But the moment grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway station, what happened? All of a sudden, Toto, he poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a white grin. Now, over here, all of a sudden, the poor man was scared and he said, "See, sir, you're having a dog and you have to pay for this." Grandfather said, "No, it's a monkey." But the ticket collector said, "No, it is a dog, and therefore you have to pay a sum for this dog of yours." And then grandfather said, "See, I also have one tortoise in my pocket. Are you going to charge for this also?" He said, "No, no, no, no. It is not a dog. That is why I'm not going to charge anything." Now, when Toto was finally accepted by grandmother after some time, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. Now, over there also in stable also he had one enemy, and that enemy was none other than a donkey. There was Nana donkey with whom Toto always used to fight. Okay, Nana was also struggling to fight back, and Toto was also hearing its, he was holding its ears. They both were pulling at each other over there. Then grandfather, he went over there and he gave one tight slap to Nana across her haunches. And then from there, Toto and Nana, they never became friends. Okay, now one day what happened? One day, what did he do? Toto, he just came inside the kitchen and he sat on a vessel that was having hot water boiling, and he was nearly about to boil himself. All of a sudden, what happened? Grandmother looked at him, and then she just let that monkey to come out of the water, boiling water. Otherwise, on that day, that monkey would have half boiled itself. Now, one day again, what happened? During the lunch time, there was a large dish of pulao in the center of the dining table. When the narrator, along with his family members, when they entered the room to eat the food, they found Toto was enjoying a plate full of pulao, and grandmother screamed. When he saw that grandmother was screaming, Toto threw a plate at her. And then, when the narrator's aunts rushed towards the monkey threw a glass of water on her face. Now, when grandfather arrived, what did Toto do? He picked up the dish of pulao and he went out of the window and sat on the branches of the jackfruit tree. And he was still having the dish, and he remained over there all afternoon, and he was eating slowly. And when grandmother had screamed him, what did he do? He threw the dish down from the tree, and that plate was shattered into pieces. Now, obviously, grandfather, he knew that Toto is not an animal that could be kept at home, and hence it was decided that grandfather is going to leave this Toto to the same Tonga driver for 3 rupees. He was purchased in a sum of 5 rupees, but he was later on sold again in a sum of rupees 3. He also used to tear his aunt's clothes, and this is how these were the mischiefs of the animal.